Okay, here's another rare one. 2015 Honda Civic LX with only 67,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, no accidents, great history, lots of service. Service department just checked it out, went through a 182-point inspection. We checked out the brakes, the fluids, the filters, the tires. You name it, we checked it out. We make sure that it is up to specifications. That way we can back it with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty that's bumper to bumper, covers exactly what the new manufacturer warranty would cover. We give that with all of our pre-owned vehicles under 100,000 miles. Comes with 6 oil changes, 6 tire rotations. Let me just show you here, show you the inside. Oh, it's locked right now. There we go. Nice black interior. Super clean, super nice, great economy, great fuel mileage, very reliable. These things last for a long time. Again, only 67,000 miles, comes with a warranty, comes with 6 oil changes, 6 tire rotations. Buy with confidence. Victory Honda of Plymouth. We are a very large dealer. We've been doing business for a long time. 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. We look forward to helping you out. This is a super clean version of a 2015 Civic LX automatic with 67,000 miles. Thank you.